I ain't doing all
Hey, what's
that.
up, big daddy?
What is wrong with you?
Whoa,
Come on,
let
get
go of
off.
my hair. Let
Come
go.
here. You ever touch my man? What the fuck?
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
If he's cheating, I'm doing him worse. No, Uno, I hit the reverse. I ain't tripping the grip in my purse. I don't care, cause he did it first. If he's cheating, I'm doing him.
So this may be my most chaotic cut today because I was going to go really short and then I changed my mind at the last minute. So I started cutting the back and then I was like, no, I'm going to do the sides. And then I went back to the back. And in the end, I didn't use a shorter guard than the purple for the back and a green for the side. So my usual level of shortness. I free-handed the top because it's too long for the guards. And yeah, I just kept going back and forth and confusing myself. But we got there in the end and I decided to razor my neck because that always makes it come together. I styled, then I cut off a few bits with scissors. But yeah, my usual level of shortness.